Welcome to our video today. I will tell you how to fix Janitor AI when you see the error message. A network error occurred, you may be rate limited or having connection issues. This usually happens when servers are overloaded or your connection isn't stable. First, try refreshing the page and clearing your browser's cache and cookies. This often solves temporary glitches. Second, switch to a different browser like Chrome or Edge and double check that your internet is running smoothly. If the problem continues, try using a VPN to bypass rate limits or regional restrictions. If none of these work, it may simply be server side downtime. So give it a few minutes and try again. With these quick steps, you should be able to get Janitor AI working properly. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful guides like this.